Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by, I appreciate it. So yesterday I went ahead and tapped off of this exit sign and installed a second exit sign in the middle of this intersection of the hallway. So basically we just got this all set up here, cut the tile, wired it all up, installed the exit sign, fished the flex down to the other exit sign, and then strapped it back and then tied that in while shutting the power off. So I tied that into this exit sign right here instead of going to the junction box. Thought it would be a little bit faster and quicker to get it into this exit sign. And then today worked on another operating room. This is the video from last time because I didn't get any video footage today. So I went ahead and worked on putting in 2 more of the cut-in boxes for their 4-in-1 plates, for their whatever that is used for, I don't really know. But anyways, we went ahead and put a box on the wall and then went ahead, pulled our strings, and then also put the box right here on the cabinet. And then I went ahead and got a few things done at the end of the day, preparing for tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to be working on some more wire mold. Basically in the emergency department, they're starting a new phase tomorrow. Phase 1B, we basically completed phase 1A, which has been like the last 6 to 8 months. So they're going to start sectioning off another department of the emergency department, so we can start more work as we move on along with the project. So basically they have this charging station for, I don't know what it is, what kind of medical tool it is, but they have like 12 or 16 of these machines that need to be charged all the time. And that's in part of the phase that's going to get shut down for the hospital to be turned over to us to do construction on. So basically I have to go into a different room and basically turn an outlet into like 16 outlets, basically putting in 4 quadplexes or 8 duplexes side by side in this room, so they have a place to charge all of their things again. So that's what I will be working on tomorrow. If I didn't say already, it's going to be wire mold. So I'm going to take a box kind of like this guy right here and just kind of take my wire mold extension, bring that out, and then I'm going to T-tap off of that and then put a quadplex on one side, and then 2 more quadplexes on the other side. If I didn't mention, it's not going to be a single, it's actually going to be a quad. So I'm going to take a normal outlet, turn that into a surface wire mold, and then turn that into a quad, and then T-tap off at the top of that, and then quadplex on one side, and then 2 quadplexes on the other side. So that's what I will be working on tomorrow in the emergency department, so they can get their power charger stations all up and going while we do construction and shut that all down and stuff. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed. I will see you guys back tomorrow, probably, if I don't forget to make some videos. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Love you guys. Thanks for the support. Gonna be hitting 19,000 soon, so I appreciate that. Do another giveaway. Anyways, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next one. Peace.